The programs I create come from my own personal experiences. In my late 20s, I was prescribed Cipro for a salmonella infection. A few months later, I started to experience extreme GI discomfort, anxiety, and even panic attacks. I went from doctor to specialist, but no one had answers. Eventually, I was told I had IBS and was sent on my way. No support, no solutions, no explanation. But I was still sick with bloating, cramping, and diarrhea. No matter what I ate, I felt awful. My body was exhausted and I was exhausted. Just to feel normal, I stopped eating before going out. Just to avoid embarrassment, I avoided dating. It was isolating and it was hard. Then I moved to Florida for a job, and a new friend introduced me to a nurse practitioner trained in functional medicine. Now, I had no idea what that was, but she looked at me and said, "I know how to help you." And for the first time, I had hope. We did gut testing and temporarily eliminated common gut disruptors. My body finally had time to heal. My whole world changed. I became aware of organic, whole food nutrition. I learned about farming practices and how to truly support my body. The more I understood, the more empowered I became. My daily sickness became occasional flare-ups, and now they rarely happen. But it took me 10 years of trial and error to figure it all out. I don't want it to take that long for anyone to find comfort. That's why I coach, so you can get results now. So let's get you shopping with confidence. Let's get you dining out again. Let's prepare gut-healthy meals so you can enjoy food without fear of what your stomach might do.